Coming to the next chapter, that is real numbers. Here, real numbers means it is a combination of rational and irrational number. In this chapter, we will be learning the concept of HCF, LCM and the product of numbers. So you know that HCF into LCM is equal to product of numbers. And if the numbers are A and B, then HCF into LCM can be written as HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. Now the question is, if HCF of 360 and 64 is 8, then their LCM is dash. If the HCF of 360 and 64 is 8, then their LCM is, option is given. First option is 2880, second option 2780, third option 2480 and D, last option 512. So here in this question the numbers are 360 and 64 and the HCF is given as 8. You just have to find out the LCM. So we can write the formula as HCF into LCM is equal to A into B, and HCF, since it is given as 8 into LCM is equal to 360 into 64, and from that you will get LCM is equal to, on cancellation you will get the LCM as 2880, and the option is the first option, that is option A. Now next question, find the HCF of x raised to 4, y raised to 5 and x raised to 8, y raised to 3, z. Here we need to find out the HCF, that is the highest common factor. So the factors are given over there. What you have to do is, for finding the HCF among the factors of two numbers, you need to find out the base which is having the lowest power. So you can see x raised to 4 for the first one, and for the second one you are having x raised to 8. Among them, which is the base that is having the lowest power, that is x raised to 4. Then coming to y raised to 5 and y raised to 3, they are also y raised to 3. Okay, so among the common factors you need to check the power with the lowest, the power that is lowest, that will give you the highest common factor. Now coming to the LCM, least common multiple, here what you have to do is, first we'll see the common factors with the highest power. Coming to x raised to 4, and for the second number x raised to 8, here the biggest power is x raised to 8. Now moving to the next factor, that is y raised to 5 and y raised to 3. The biggest power is 5, so I have written over there for the LCM y raised to 5. Apart from that, there is one more factor which is not common, that is z. So for LCM you have to write x raised to 8, y raised to 5 and the factor which is not common, that is z. So in this question you will be getting the HCF as x raised to 4, y raised to 3 and the LCM as x raised to 8, y raised to 5, z. Next question, you have x as p raised to 3, q raised to 2, r, and y as p raised to 5 into q into r raised to 3, where p, q and r are the prime numbers. So in this question you need to find out the HCF and the LCM. So HCF of x and y you write like this, and you know that for the HCF you take the common factor that is having the lowest power. So among x and y, p is common factor and the lowest power is p raised to 3. Q is also common factor, the lowest power is q, and among r the lowest power is r. So you get the HCF of x and y as p raised to 3 q r. Now moving to the LCM, LCM of x and y, that is, you need to first you'll check the common factor that is having the highest power. So that will be among the p raised to 5, among q, that is q raised to 2, and among r, it is r raised to 3. So you got the HCF and the LCM of the given numbers, that is x and y. So we have discussed some questions. So if you have any doubt, you can comment and you can share with your friends also. Do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubt apart from these questions, you can also write in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you.